Hello everyone, today we're going to unbox a gaming laptop. This is ASUS TUF Gaming 50-inch laptop. The model number is FX505DD. I bought this one from Best Buy for $500. I will say this is a budget gaming laptop. By the time I make this video, I've been using it for 3 weeks. Therefore, in the end, I will give you a short review. For now, let me do a quick unboxing while giving you guys an overview of this laptop. Let's get started. Let's open the box. The first thing we see is the laptop. We will check it later. Let's see what else we got in the box. Some documents, which I believe they are instruction manual and limited warranty information. Let's just put it aside. What else we got here? A power cord. And I believe the other side will be a power adapter. That's everything in this box. Here we have a laptop in a simple sleeve. Let's take it out. Since this is a gaming laptop, so it's kinda heavy. The weight is around 6 pounds. The color is black. Let's open the lid and remove the keyboard cover. As you can see, this is a full-size keyboard. It has a backlight. You can also adjust the brightness or fully turn it off. Now let's talk about the specs. It uses AMD Ryzen 5 3550H. This is a pretty new CPU. It's launched in the beginning of 2019. For the graphics, it uses NVIDIA GTX 1050. This is a budget card, but it provides pretty decent performance. You also use 256GB SSD and 8GB memory. You have option to expand to 16GB. Let's look around this laptop. The entire laptop exterior is made by plastic. It feels kinda cheap, but it's actually tougher than standard. According to ASUS website, this laptop has passed a series military-grade tests. I personally think this is just for marketing purpose. I'm pretty sure it might still break if you bring it to the shower or drop it. Therefore, I will not do anything creative even if it has passed some military-grade tests. We see there is a big X on the cover. People can easily recognize this is a gaming laptop when they see this kind of design. We also see an ASUS logo in the middle. Now let's look at each side of this laptop. All the ports are actually in the left hand side. You can see ports for power input, LAN, HDMI, USB 2.0, couple USB 3.0 and 3.5mm headphone jack. In the right hand side, there is only a security slot. I must say this is a pretty strange design. We also see a red speaker in each side. Sound quality wise, I mean this is a laptop, but do expect. Now let's talk about what I like and dislike about this laptop. First, I like it has a very fast boot time. I can get into the Windows less than 10 seconds. Also, this laptop didn't come with those 30 days trial antivirus software. I think this is something all the manufacturers should do. No one really wants those crap since you can get Windows Defender for free. However, it still came with some pre-installed apps which not everyone needs it. Something like LinkedIn or Spotify. It might be useful for certain people, but definitely not for me. One thing I don't understand is why it didn't come with Steam or Uplay, but instead it has LinkedIn. People mainly purchase this laptop for gaming, not recruiting. There are a lot of common features you see in majority of laptops in the market right now, but cannot be found on this laptop, like touchscreen, fingerprint reader, or SD card reader. I can see ASUS is trying to lower the cost by not including those features, and I think some of those features are pretty useless. I personally think touchscreen on laptop is probably one of the most useless features. However, I still hope it came with SD card reader. It could be useful. The other thing I don't like is the material they used to build this laptop collects fingerprints easily. It's also hard to clean it. It will make the laptop look messy. Overall, I still think this is a great budget gaming laptop. Price-wise, the list price is $750 in the US, but it goes on sale quite frequently. I will say if you can find one between $500 to $600, it will be a good buy. Anything more than that, I will not consider. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more unboxing in the future.